Hi guys, welcome back. It's Patty, and today I'm here with you with the unboxing of a monthly subscription box, which is quite new for me. It's the subscription box from the GP Studio, and this comes all the way from Australia. And I only started subbing back in December, so this is my second box. And I had seen it on Instagram, on other people's feeds, and I thought it was so pretty. And I thought actually that it was quite different from the style and other subscriptions that I get. So I wanted to give it a try. And just to let you know, I pay about $40 with shipping to the United States from Australia with the cheapest shipping, and it takes me about 2 weeks to receive it. So if you are interested, again, just go to the gpstudio.com to sign up. But I have not even taken a peek. I've just opened the box, so it'll be kind of a surprise also because I'm not that familiar with the box. Again, this is only the second one. So why don't we take a look inside, and then I'll take everything out and unbox it for you. So let's see. First of all, it comes in this mailer. Here we go. And then I love the little tissue paper. Let's open that up. It got a little beaten up in transit. And wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so, I can see there's some, pockets, die cuts. I love the color. Oh, I love these. I think this was in the previous box too. It's like a little sticker book. And then, let's see, more like little bow, little tabs. These quote cards. I love that it says what it is. So I don't have to think about it. Stickers, a TN insert, and then sticky notes, a pen. I love this pen. Washi, and you know, we never have enough washi. And here's the paper. So why don't I, oh gorgeous, why don't I take everything out of the plastic, and I'll be right back and we'll look through it together. So I've taken everything out, and here it is. So it is a lot. You get quite a bit for the $40 with shipping. And as you can tell, everything is really color coordinated. So we're having these lavenders and lilacs. There's a floral theme, but I think it's fairly neutral in the sense that you can kind of adapt this to whatever you have. I'm trying to think of what planner I could use this in, but I have a black TN that this may work well with. But let's start with the thing that first grabbed my attention, which was these adhesive pockets. And I'm not quite sure if it was Christy the first one who, you know, made them with the pattern on them, you know, Christy from the Planner Society. But I love these. I think this would be good for a B6, and then this one is probably going to be good for a personal or a pocket size. So I like it. I love these. There's 4 of them, so that's great. Then we have some stickers. Actually, I have quite a bit of stickers. So we have this half boxes, 3/4 boxes, not quite sure. I love this. Be so good they can't ignore you. More boxes. These are awesome. I would probably use these in my traveler notebook more than my Erin Condren, just because they don't fit exactly like Erin Condren box, but they would be perfect for my traveler notebook. And I like that you have the days of the week. I love these chairs. More. These are very functional. Oh, these are so cute. I love this little Icons Beauty Appointment. Love it. And then more functional, and then some deco. I love the deco. And then more headers, which, you know, you never have enough. So there's quite a bit. And this is kind of like I wouldn't call it vinyl, but it's not paper. It's like it's got a sort of vinyl feel to it. Then adorable bow, because we all need to coordinate. So that's super pretty. And then here is a TN insert, and I think this is a personal size. It says there are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. It's so true. Very pretty. Again, it's stitched. Love it. Nice weight to the paper. I like it. And it's, you know, there's nothing inside, so you can use it for whatever you want. And then what are we going to look next here? The pen. I love this pen. It's very modern. It's, you know, it goes with this, but you can use it in any kind of like planner that you have. Love that. Then we have the washi tape. And there's some pretty bird on it, taking flight. Very pretty. And it's got some pink and some lavender, some grays. There's definitely grays. Love it. And then we get into the die cuts. There's quite a bit of die cuts. and they're all color coordinated. There's also some sort of ballerina theme. I can see some ballet slippers, flowers. So this is, you know, spring. I love the tulips. I love the little outfits. And I should show you probably better, but these little chairs are so cute. Little bra, a little plant. I love the girls, both adorable. Love it. This kind of that photography kind of feel, and oh, Burberry, like little birdie again. Super cute. And again, there are nice cardstock, so there's a nice weight to it. And another ballerina girl. Love it. Oh, and this is what I was showing you earlier. So these are those books that you can actually use to store your stamps you can put in here, or your stickers, because these are actually, yeah, perfect for your stickers. And so even your journaling cards you can put in here. And I actually have seen people turn these into traveler notebooks. So I've never done it, but I love it. It's very cute. It's a nice, you know, thick plastic. Then we have some sticky notes. Very pretty, color coordinated. I always add these in my traveler notebooks because, you know, you need some in there. So I always kind of stick them to the back of a dashboard. And then we have some quote cards. The best things to get things done is to begin. True. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. I mean, there's more. Oh, I love this one. Be fearless. Very pretty. Find your bliss. Adorable. It's a very muted colorway, I would say. I like it. It's you know, it's for spring, but it's also year round. And then there is this divider tabs. I honestly never use these. I don't know why, but I don't use you know, divider tabs, but I'm sure you guys use them. And then let's go back to the main item, which is the papers. So let's start with this one, because this one is absolutely stunning. I love this one. So it's an acetate. I apologize for the reflection. I have lights on, so, but it's gorgeous. It's like a silver foil, and it's got this geometric pattern. Beautiful. Love acetate. Never have enough. And this is a very, it's probably not going to show that well on camera, but it's a very soft mix of like patterns. It's got some you know, wool pattern, there's some flowers, there's some sort of sand, so different textures on vellum. Very pretty. Then we have 2 sheets of this paper. Nice cardstock, by the way, nice weight. And the back is this. I love this one especially because, you know, I love pink. I love pink any day. Give me pink. Basically all my layouts are pink. So, and this is another one, and the back is this. Oh, I love this one. Actually, so this and this together, so these 3 together already are, I think, are my favorite. I love it. See, this is one of the reasons why I signed up for this box, because it's different than what I have, what I normally buy. There's a lot of geometric patterns, which I probably would not normally go for. So it kind of pushes me to choose something a little different, you know, get us out of the box. Otherwise you kind of get stuck in your rut and you just repeat the same thing over and over. And I love this one. I have to say, I'm not a huge fan of this one, I'll be honest, but you know, it's pretty, but it's probably something I'll frame and not something that I'll use. Although, you know, if I trimmed it this way, you know, but it's definitely different. But I love this one. I love this one a lot. So this is it, guys. This, I think, was a pretty quick unboxing, and so this is all you get. So if you're interested, you can go sign up at gpstudio.com, I think it was. And again, it's a monthly subscription. And let me know if you have any questions. And I actually stay tuned, because I will be adding the winner for the giveaway at the end of this video. I'm picking the winner tomorrow. I'm filming this earlier in the week. So stay tuned for that. And also next Tuesday, I will have the setup, a video with the setup of my March traveler notebook, and I will give you a very thorough walkthrough of how I put together a traveler notebook, because I've gotten a lot of requests about that. So stay tuned for that on Tuesday, and I hope you guys liked it. And again, if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you Tuesday. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day. Okay, bye guys.